Good morning, everybody.
Yo, future and current safety traders. The Safety Trade System Live will begin shortly with your host, Kevin Grego, the founder of the Safety Trade System. If you are already a member of the Safety Trade System, be sure to get your charts up, load your indicators, and follow along through the live. Remember, demo trade only. Kevin is not a financial advisor. And let's not forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it.
All right, now we're going. It's like that. Oh boy.
She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason it was free life. It was free. My hope it was free. So now you can see what she means to me. She set me free. Now the world will witness me. Precious, I want the world to know what you mean to me. No matter what I won't leave. Who be loved precious with all his
We remember.
Together they shine like stars on high. Their love will never die.
Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. You're listening to an intro.
Yo, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone toe-to-toe. Let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SPX, you go and start it low. You haven't got the block. You haven't got
If this doesn't get you in the mood to trading, I don't know what does. Safe trip to Boston, Jake. God bless you. Please, everyone, say a quick prayer for Jake to have a very safe trip with him and his family to Boston, Massachusetts. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Not Today, and Fletch, and David. And good morning, Ken, and Gold Visionaries. Good morning, DGB. Good morning, Jake and Guyberger. Morning, Solace Soul. I don't care what your political ideology is. I don't give two fucks if you're conservative. I don't care if two fucks if you're anything in particular. There is no place, zero place. R.I.P. Charlie. I don't usually even give two cares if someone famous dies or doesn't die, but Charlie was a good man. He had two beautiful children, a beautiful wife, and I know innocent people die all the time, but I don't know innocent people are assassinated every fucking day for talking. Just because you don't agree with someone, you don't kill the other fucking person. Oh, that one hurt. That was crazy. Okay, and I don't care. No politics talked here or be banned. I don't care if you're a Democrat. I don't care if you're Republican. I don't care if you have monkeys flying out your fucking asshole. No one deserves to die for talking. Oh, I didn't like his view. I don't give a fuck. Charlie Kirk should be alive today. Please say a prayer. I'm going to take a moment here anyways. Take a prayer. Remember his family. Just absolutely a horrid, horrid day in American history. He didn't go out there and kill people. He didn't go out there and shoot people. Well, he talked. I don't give a fuck. He was talking. Whatever. This world is a worse place because of his death. I'll guarantee you that. Total fucking bullshit. Act like fucking adults. If you want to go whatever, back in my day in the 80s, you'd fucking fight somebody, duke it out, have a little laugh about it afterwards, and go have a fucking beer, and then everyone's friends again. Whatever happened to those days? Anybody remember those days? Bunch of pussy ass fucks out there using guns. Fucking, you had a beef with somebody, you were pissed at somebody, you wanted to kick someone's ass, you walked up to him, you talked to him. If you wanted to kick his ass and he wanted you to kick his ass and you guys wanted to fight, you fought. You went outside the bar and you actually fought. Then they instigated a 3-stitch rule, and then they did this and that. I heard Texas still allows you to fight as long as you both agree to it. It's the way it should be. Be a man. Pussies use knives and guns. Get the fuck out of here. That man was innocent. He had 2 children. He had a wife. And because you didn't agree with something he said, some clown ass fuck. Did they ever catch that guy? Is it the old guy? I don't think it was the old guy. I think it's the younger guy with that weird name. I am so not happy right now. Larry says, I remember those days. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Charlie was just a good man, Ken. He just went out, debated college kids on campuses, even though he didn't go to college, and smoked their asses. They couldn't stand him because he always had the truth. Oh, TikTok, go fuck yourselves. Fuck out of here with your fucking bans, you fucking pile of shits. We're gonna ban you. Yeah, because I'm remembering Charlie Cook, and because I'm remembering 911, TikTok's gonna ban me. Fuck them. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. No political talk here. Just mourn for a good man who shouldn't have been assassinated. Shouldn't have been killed. And of course, 911. Little story on that. Oh, Keith, you can't say yo. I don't care if there's any news today. Don't care. Don't care. Good morning, Neville. Neville, how long you been with me? Have you been with me over a year? I think Neville has. He's been here a while. I remember when I used to say he was Neville from iCarly. It's the only Neville I've ever known. Not a good reference, though, so I quit saying it. Good morning, Paul Orlando. We have an Orlando. Almost 2 years. Up. It is time. Good morning, Rishi. It is time for Neville Brown to arise. Sir Neville Brown, knight of the safety trade system. You are now a moderator, Neville. Good morning, Neville. Good morning, Barani. If you refresh your screen, you will see, Neville, that you have a blue wrench next to you, next to your name. Please use that honor wisely. Don't yield your power in a bad way. Good morning, Sam K. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Neville. Good morning, George. What's up, George? I think George is the only one that hasn't been with me a year that has a wrench by his name. I don't care about CPI. It's going to go down. They're going to arch it down. Then it's going to come back up. How about that? I won't even play fucking CPI. I'm just going to tell you what they're going to do. No, thank you, Neville, for being here and supporting us all these years. Me and Bree appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, thanks. What's up, 8 Ball? Good morning, 8 Ball. Good morning and welcome to the channel, 8 Ball. Rayman, hey, Kev, is CPI soon? Yeah, here's CPI news. They're going to jerk the fucking thing down and then they're going to bring it up. I'm going to call buy stops across the board on NAS, SPX, US 30, YM1, and ES1. There you go. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube. I think we're going to have the honor of Keith Palmer jumping on. It's only an hour. I'll be done in an hour. There is CPI in 6 minutes, and I don't give two rats ass about CPI. Uh-oh. Let's see. We got to find me over here. We need to go there. There we are live. There we are. Okay. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Rory Rodriguez. Hey, Monte. Monte Dunn. A blast from the past is on. What's up, Monte? Praying for his whole entire family and his daughter. Aussie Trader, what's up? Paycheck, welcome to the channel. Larry Cooper, what's up, Larry? Super Z, I think that's Kev. Geo, it's my time. What's up, D Brokers? Welcome, everybody. We're not talking about anything political here. We're just talking and mourning about a man who should not have been assassinated. He should not have been killed. I don't give a care if you're conservative. I don't give a care if you're a Democrat. I don't give a fuck what's going on in your life. You don't shoot somebody because you don't agree with what they're saying. Everyone hear that hiss? That is the hydrogen water. When I tell you life is short, life is short. When I tell you that make memories while you can, please do. It isn't all about trading. You trade to gain freedom. You trade and learn how to trade so that you can make enough money so you can do anything you want in this world to live life. Charlie was 31 years old. You don't think he'd give anything to be with his wife and children? Yes, of course he would. Yes, Martin, CPI in 4 minutes, and I don't give two fucks about it. It's going to go down. It's going to go up. It's going to be a buy stuff across the board. They'll dip it down, then they'll raise it up again. There it is. I'm calling CPI without even looking at fucking CPI. I haven't even looked at one fucking chart this morning. CPI in 3 minutes, actually. Ken, I didn't know. Yep, that it is. Good morning, Craig Trulio, a.k.a. 501 Pan Fishing. 8 Ball, you can't go around changing your name. I can't keep up with you guys as it is. Greg, 8 Ball. Either of you been with me over a year? Please let me know. If I got in the meat of the rules and lessons, thanks for directing to it when I had questions. Those questions and my list of questions were answered. Excellent job with it. Yes, Sam K. Please follow the simple directions that we give you. And that is to follow the rules. I appreciate you doing that. Please make sure you're giving thumbs up so I stay on YouTube. How many are we at? 18 out of 44. Okay. Well, you have 2 minutes. I give you 1 minute to get my thumbs up way past 35 on YouTube or I'm out. You know how I know what it's going to be on the 30 minutes? Here we go. We're going to do this. We're going to play one song through, and it's 1.5 minutes long. At the end of this song, if I don't see more than 35 thumbs up on YouTube, I'm closing it down. I'm going to stay on TikTok. Wow. 18 fucking thumbs up with 46 of you? Really? Just took your class 10 first. Oh, Greg, you are damn new. You ain't getting no knighted. Eight ball, you have. 1 minute to CPI. All right. Arise, Sir 8-Ball. You are now a knight of the round table for the safety trade system. What's up, Greg? You're in the right place to learn, Greg. You know that. All right, I'm refreshing it. Oh, CPI right now. We'll go over to that in just a second. Let's 37 out of 4. That's better. Thank you, guys. Good morning, John Parker, and welcome back. John renewed last night. Did I take care of you, John? I think John has everything. Good morning, Barani. Thank you, 8-Ball, for being with me over a year. I think there's only one person that has the wrench that hasn't been with me a year. And that's because George helped me out with something. And I appreciate the support from everybody. Da-da-da-da. It was Bree. What you mean to me? Da-da-da-da. Okay, let's see. I said it was going to go down and then come back up again. Okay, everyone remember what I said. I said it was down. It was going to go down and then come back up again. Everybody remember that? And then let's see. Everybody here. Did it go down and then did it go up again? I literally fucking called CPI without even looking at the fucking charts. Clear? I just called this is why I did that. I just called CPI without even looking at the charts. Did everybody just notice I called CPI without looking at the charts? Oh my God. I said it would go down and then back up again. And guess what? I mean, come on. They only have so many tricks in their arsenal. Buy, stop again, all indices, 5 seconds. It's going to hook and come back up again and fill in the gap. Without barely looking at the charts, it's going to hook back down and then come back up again. It did exactly that. And that's why the markets are rigged. The markets are fucking rigged. The markets are fucking rigged. Okay. There you go. Good morning, Lachey. Awesome, John. I'm glad you're good to go. Just want to make sure I took care of you. Just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, it's coming back down again. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the number of pips you could have made. Here you go. And how do they know right at 8:30, by the way, it does this shit? Let's zoom in. Your entry on that buy stop would have been right here on NAS. So you'd entered in right here. It went up 45 pips. Is 45 pips a good number of pips or a bad number of pips? Is it good or bad? Is it excellent, outstanding, or is it bad? Here, let's go over here again. Let's go over to this one. Buy stop again. You can re-enter here later on. I'll get to that in a second. It's just forming a higher buy stop. Let's go to US 30. Your entry on US 30 on this trade. Your entry on US 30 on this trade would have been right here at this orange line. Is 66 pips excellent? Yes or no on this would have been 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. In about 45 seconds. Could you have entered? Yeah. No, it would have took the entry. Even if you caught it here, it would have took the entry here. Because they do move it very fast. I understand that. But even if you closed off one of these two right here, went up from here up, yeah, you still would have got 30, 40 pips on it. So yeah, there are only so many bags of tricks they have, and then eventually you get kind of bored with it, and you're like, really, this is all they can fucking do? And yeah, that's all they can fucking do. Let's see what they're pulling now. 3 minute. Oh yeah, let's go up to 4 minute. 4 minute buy. Let's go up to 5. Do I hear a 5? 5 minute buy stop, all indices. Let's pull it down though. Oh, stop. 15 minute. Oh, gorgeous. 15 minute. I'm going to enter you guys. Hold on. I'll tell you where entries are. Pooby loves Precious with all his heart. 1 hour. Buy stop. Hey, hey, hey. Don't you dare start coming in. Buy stop. These are your take profits. You'll be hearing these go off very soon on NAS. I'm calling for a 1 hour buy stop on NAS. I'm calling for a 1 hour buy stop on NQ1. There you go. I'm calling for a 1 hour buy stop on US 30. I'm calling for a buy stop on SPX. SPX is so cute. It's been leading the last few days. It's been going first. It's so cute. It never leads. It's always last. So I gotta, you gotta kind of love it when it actually gets a little love. All right, now let's go back down here and see what we can see. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Follow it down. This is going to be a buy stop. Cross the board. Follow it down. You're about to hear a lot of those things going off. Eventually, this is an hour buy stop. This is going to take a little time to develop. It may keep going down until open, but that's okay. We don't give a fuck. Just stay over here. You'll hear all these alerts going off as the morning goes on. You'll hear them all go off. It's an hour buy stop. This isn't a 10-second buy stop for you people with fucking ADD, HDD, DDD, DPT, TCC, QPRST. For any of you that has those kind of conditions where you have to be hyper, this isn't going to be a 5-second buy stop. This is a 1 hour buy stop. Just fucking chill, relax, let it go down, let it form its tit, let it come back up again. You'll be hearing all the little buy stop thingies soon. Beautiful little play. They're just giving away free money this morning. Is today Friday? No, today's Thursday, isn't it? And there you go. You'll be hearing all these little ding, ding, dings later on. As you do, just remember I told you that it was not going to go down for fucking ever. And even if it does go down forever, what will happen? Because some of you asked me this. When these things turn to a sell, we will see the daily flip under. When I see the daily flip under, I will tell you it's a sell stop. For instance, let me show you what it will look like when things turn to red. We make money on the way up and we make money on the way down. Here's a sell stop right here. If you look inside of this area right here, okay, this area right here is the complete opposite of a buy. So my system works on the way up and the way down. What you're going to see is So fucking cool. It's just amazing, actually. What you're going to see how the logo forms and comes up and forms and comes up. Then everything flips, and then you're underneath. And then you're underneath. And then you're underneath. See, everything goes from the left side on the way up, top, left up, to the left below. Does everybody see this? So these are always buy stops on the daily. This is a sell stop. So this is how we'll know when things flip. We'll make money on the sell stop to the blue line like we did when it was, well, I don't play the sells, but you can when it's daily. That's a whole different momentum shift. That's a whole different flow. Does everyone see this, yes or no? Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Smith. Good morning, Kirk. Everyone get that. That's how you know when you're in a buy or a sell long term. Now, it does the same thing on 1 hour, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I just increased your win probability by 50%. Or is that 100%? I never did understand those stat things. Look, what you're seeing is the logo forms below, comes up, hooks, boom, comes up, hooks, boom, comes up, hooks. It's on this side. This is our logo. It's green. It's going up. When it flips and go under, this is your sell stop. You play the sells on the way down. It's, by the way, even a daily sell on this is still a buy, but whatever. I'm not getting into that. So everyone here, whether you're new or not, or whether you have experience trading or not, I just increased your win percentage. Just fucking when it's doing the retests over here, forming our logo. Some of you don't even know what the fuck the logo is. Hold on. This little bull thing right here. Well, here, hold on. The little bull thing. Help me out here. Pooby loves Precious with all his heart. Thank you for the intro, KJ. This little bull thing right here.
Yo, future and currency.
There we go. You see this green arrow? That's the up. The red arrow is when it goes below. Our bull isn't just the fucking coolest thing on earth. It actually is all the way you're supposed to be trading. It's the only way you're supposed to be trading. But I don't teach it anymore. It's too complicated. Goes over 99% of people's heads at first. I'm not dealing with it. But there you go. So we'll catch the sells on the way down. Don't worry about that. But here's the bigger picture on that one. Those daily sells are just creating weekly buys. That's all it's doing, is just on a much, much larger time frame. You see, if you'd had this system back in, it wasn't even in existence, 2020, it might have been. You guys just didn't have access to it. You could have got into the stock market, into NAS at, SPX at 2,842. See? Could have got it again down here at 3,000. And there you go. Tripled your money. You'd made 300%. You just wait for these things to form. See how this one just formed the other day? ES1 is crossing. Let's go over to ES1. I want to get back to that lesson, though, so you guys understand what you're seeing. Because when you see this, and we just saw this in April of this year, you should have been in here at 19,000. You'd have made 4,000, 5,000 pips, dollars. Let me be clear on that. A 0.01 lot. Where can you get a 0.01 lot? Since some fucking moron the other day. Where can you do $1 on NAS? I don't know. Gee, just the most popular trading platform in the world called MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Any broker overseas has it. Just American idiots don't. Swear to God. Fuck out of here. Now what is happening? 15 seconds sell. 15 seconds sell stop. You can play that if you want to. I wouldn't touch a sell stop with a 30-foot pole. It already hit the blue line. So the 15 second sell to the 2-minute blue line. Or you can be patient and wait for the 6-minute buy stop. 7-minute buy stop. Isn't that weird? 7-minute buy, my favorite number. 7-minute buy stop, all indices. You're about to hear a shit ton of little ding, ding, ding-a-ling, ding, ding, ding-a-dong dings. You're about to hear it. Da-da, from my mouth to God's ears to your wallets is what you're about to hear. Demo trade only, mofos.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
That's
advisor.
for fucking sure. My brother said, are you going to teach this stuff at college one day? Nope. I'll let the teachers of, professors of colleges teach it. Then I want teachers on the middle school teaching it. I want to train everybody in the world on how to make this system work so that everyone in the world doesn't have to rely on government fucking handouts. You can make your own fucking money and tell the fucking government to go fuck themselves. Uh-oh. I'm sure TikTok's going to love that. Oh, but I want universal basic income. When you get universal basic income, they have you by the balls and they will tell you everything you cannot and can do and can think and can't think and cannot think. Oh, but the robots and AI is going to do everything. I can sit back and get universal basic income. It's great. Yeah, no. Learn to fucking trade so you can be independently wealthy and you can tell them to go fuck the universal income. Well, I'm getting off on sidetracks here, aren't I, this morning? Does everybody like hearing the truth, or are you guys all dying? Some people have never heard this before. They're like, what? I thought universal basic income would be good. Yeah, if you want to suck off the tit of the government for the rest of your life, it is. People are like, holy shit, Kevin's on a tear. Oh, gee. ES1 is going up. Gee. Golly jeepers, Batman. Look at all our alerts going off. Did anyone call this to go up? Are you in money? Gee. Did I say it was just about to pop? Gee. Touchdown to the 15-second. I told you not to do the sells. I told you, mofos. Look at them. Look at them come in. Who was right? Who was right? Bronny's the only one speaking up. Bronny says, I love the truth. I guess Bronny's the only one who has balls out there with 45 of you watching. Yeah, there you go. Is that enough? Well, that's only a little bit, Kev. If it comes back down, I only would have made from the orange line to here 27 pips. That's not enough pips, Kevin. Who cares if you called it right? And who cares if you called it was going to go from here to here? 42 pips isn't enough. 27 pips isn't enough. I want more pips. If this turns around and goes down, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Except I called this all out, mofos. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Go F yourselves, you little haters. Oh, this system is flawless. Thank God. Thank you, God. Look at it go up and touch. Look at it go up. It is not done. Look at you make your 20. It's not enough. 27 pips on NAS isn't enough. I want more fucking. Oh, well. And 30 pips on NQ1 isn't enough. And 42 pips on US 30 isn't enough. And 42 pips again on YM1 isn't enough, but 43 plus 43 plus 30 plus 30, that would be 80, 110, 140. But 140 pips isn't enough, Kev. You don't know what the fuck you're talking. Oh, there it goes again. There it goes again. Oh, maybe Kev does know what he's talking about. There's more alerts. Oh, yeah, now where's the doubters at? Now where's the doubters at? Where's my haters at? Where are you at now? You're awfully quiet. All I hear is money. Where's my haters at? Where's my fucking haters? Oh, you can't hate. You can't hate. I'm giving this out for free every fucking day. Hundreds and hundreds of pips. And look at all the alerts. I told you they'd all be coming through. 17 correct calls. Fuck off. Learn the system. Quit trying to deny the truth. The system is the truth. The system is the real deal. Listen to that money. Demo trade only, mofos.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah. Go to some other fucking place and trade if you don't like me. If you don't like me cussing, then fucking leave. If you don't like making hundreds and hundreds of fucking pips live, then get the fuck out of here. Piaches. That's it. I'm playing music. I don't care. You don't like it, leave. Turn this shit up too. I don't want to hear myself talk. There you go. There you go. John Michael, zero drawdown, motherfucker. That's what it was, John Michael. Zero, motherfucker. Zero, motherfucker. Do you hear me, John Michael? What was the drawdown? Here's your drawdown. I'll show you how to enter the fucking trades. Zero drawdown. Here, Mike. Here you go, Mike. Here you go, brother. Here you go. Zero drawdown. Zero. Do you understand English? Zero. Zero. I'm so sick of these motherfucking doubting ass motherfuckers. I'll show you where to enter the trade. Zero. Understand? Dumbass. Get the fuck off my channel. Zero. I'll show you how to enter a fucking trade if you shut your fucking pie hole. Zero drawdown. Buy stop again, ES1. Buy stop again, SPX. Buy stop again, NQ1. Buy stop again, NAS. The fuck out of here with your drawdown, fuck. If you knew how to fucking trade, you wouldn't even worry about drawdown. Why? Because you wouldn't be using a funded trader account. Why wouldn't you use a funded trader account? Because you don't want to make money for someone fucking else that's already rich. Use your own fucking money. Learn how to trade so you have balls to actually learn how to trade yourself, to use your own money, to make your own fucking money. You don't care if it draws down 100 pips because it's your own fucking money. You know it's going up because you trust the system. Got it? Fuck out of here. You're in the money again, by the way. You're in the money again on that fucking one I just fucking told you. There's your money on SPX. Zero fucking drawdown, John Michael. You're in the money on NAS. Zero drawdown, Michael. You enter on the orange line right here. Right here on that orange line. Right there. That's where you enter in. Zero fucking drawdown again. Zero fucking drawdown again. Fuck your drawdown. Learn how to fucking trade and grow balls. Woo! Yeah, baby, again and again and again. Woo! Am I okay? See you, John. Yeah, I'm thrilled, bro. Boom. Bye, dork-ass motherfucker. Woo! What's the draw? Get the fuck out of here. More and more, it just keeps going up. Fuck out of here. What's my drawdown? Listen to the cha-chings, dumbass. You okay? Why is he overreact? Because I'm passionate about what I do. I'm here trying to help each and every one of you every fucking day. Why does he care so much? Why is he talking to us so rudely and cussing? It's the only way to get through to some of you. Look at it go up before your very eyes. You're welcome, Sam K. Dumbass. Yeah, there's your fucking drawdown. Woo! Yeah, baby.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Question is, try it out. Would you suggest normal version or gold version? What's up, Cody? Good morning, Cody. I've seen you here before. I would literally go over to the safety trade system, safetytrade.com. I would literally go over here, and I see some people that only love to trade gold should get gold. If you only love to trade crypto, you should get crypto. I personally would strongly, with the strongest recommendations, unless you love gold, like it's the only thing you trade, I would get the OG, the safety trade system itself for $575 right here. That's what I would do. It covers gold in there. It covers cryptos. It covers everything. But if you're a and there's a whole, I mean, literally, you know that there's only gold traders. There's thousands of them, tens of thousands of them in the world. They only love to trade gold. Then the gold system's for you. Oh, there's only people that love crypto. Crypto this, crypto that, crypto that. Then the crypto edition's for you. But if you're wanting to trade gold, crypto, and the indices and everything, because you can do, let me be clear, he's worried about the cost of like doing a 0.01 on gold. You can trade it real cheap. Oh yeah, it's pennies, right? Well, so is SPX. Instead of trading NAS or US 30, we get your balls handed to you. Buy, stop again on US 30. It's going to go up. There it is. I already did it. Sorry. It's too fast. So when it look at this shit right before your very eyes, I only asked the question, and then you ask the question cockily again, you little shit. So at any rate, this is ES1 is the equivalent of gold. SPX is the equivalent of gold. You put a 0.01 lot size on SPX, it's pennies for you, Cody. So that's my suggestion. Yes, Cody, that is correct. Good morning, Goriliano. Goriliano, how long you been? You've been with me way the fuck longer than a year, haven't you? Goriliano, I think, has been with me 2 years. How long you been with me? But does everybody understand that then? So anyone new thinking about things, if you're strictly a gold trader, get gold. If you're strictly a crypto trader, get crypto. If you want to trade crypto, gold, and the rest, then get the safety trade system. How many I got left of that, by the way? And while it says sold out for the one-on-ones, I mean, I would probably do a one-on-one with somebody for $1,000, maybe, possibly. I don't know. Maybe not. Probably not, to be honest with you. I hate doing one-on-ones. Our group classes are so small. I'm going to put this in here. Should I even do this? Because it just wastes my time. I can't do a group. I like helping more of you all at once. I don't like the individual shit. I'll put one in there because I know someone's going to do it. I damn well know someone's going to take advantage of this, and I don't want to do it. But if someone's willing to pay $1,000 for it, I'll do it. Fuck. Because there you go. I don't even want to do it. I hope to God no one ever does that $1,000 one. I never want to do a one-on-one. It just seems inefficient to me. I like helping all of you at one time rather than just like one of you. That's what I really wanted to try out. Cody. Yes, sir. The gold system comes with the sniper and the key spot. Yes, it does. It comes with everything. Here, let me go over that for you. Do I have time? Yeah, we have time. Oh, hold on, Cody. Cody, hold on. 1 second. Goriliano. Arise, Sir Goriliano, Knight of the Safety Trade System Roundtable. You are now a moderator, Goriliano. Sorry, you was long overdue. If you refresh yourself, you'll see a wrench by your name. Thank you for all your support over the years, Goriliano. And for all of you new, anyone that you see here with a wrench by their name has been with me a year or more, except for one person, but we might as well say, hey, Brexit. Brexit's been with me a long time. Good morning, Brexit. Brexit, how long you been with me? Damn, I can't keep track of everybody. If you've been with me more than a year and you don't have a wrench by your name, let's go. Let me know, okay? Now, Cody's asking about this. Let's look. The safe trade system comes with just the core. So let me show you what it comes with. Safety trade system comes with this stuff. Green, 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 this line, this. It comes with a lot of shit. Let me be specific here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Buy, stop again, forming 15-second, all indices. All right. Oh, yeah, this is about to go through the roof. Buy, stop back to here. Jeez, I can't even get my explanations in without doing this. Jeez, it's already fucking... All right. So this is what the core system comes with. It comes with real directions bars 1, 2, and 3. It comes with the bullshit detector. It comes with the Bach, the 2-line Bach. It comes with this blue EMA. Told you, right before your very eyes again, you see it again. Good morning, Maxim Motors. You missed a very good morning, I thought. Good morning, Eric. You get the color chain candles. If you guys didn't know this, these color chain candles. The EMA color changes right here. The other 2 EMAs right here. And you get all these indicators for $575 for the year. Okay? If you wanted to get the sniper down here, right? The sniper down, this is $575 for the year. It's dirt cheap. It's ridiculous. It's literally less than the Walmart. It's like a Kmart special, blue light special. Do you guys know what a Kmart blue light special is? Those of you past, 30 might know, 40. So this is $575 for the year for all of those. If you wanted the, and I would highly recommend you get the sniper. The sniper is separate. The sniper not included down here. And it's really, really important. I made it for entrances. It tells you when to get in, when not to get in, and how much take profit to take. So the sniper is $250 a month, if that's what you want. Okay. Now, the core system up here works 100% perfectly by itself. But a lot of people have troubles with the core system, my members, because it's hard to be disciplined and follow the rules exactly. Look at it go up before your eyes. It's going up to here, by the way. So they get the sniper. It's totally an optional add-on. You don't need the sniper. Okay? Thank you, Greg. Okay. Now, you don't need the sniper. Now, what happens? Look at it go up. I told you, look at it go up before. I told you it was a fucking 15-second buy. I told you it was. It was 15 seconds. Look at them all do the same thing. Let's see them all do there it is. ES1, S, because I still have people say they're separate symbols. They are not. NQ1, NAS, all the same. US30, all the same. YM1, all the same. All of them. Sniper was low. Purple line, but blue line was high. All the same. Look over and over again. Blue line high, pink and purple low. Blue line high, pink and purple low. Blue line high, pink and purple low. Blue line, pink and purple low. Blue line high, pink and purple low. Over and over again. You had to fill in the gap right here. Look at all that. You had the same tit formation, the erect nipple right here on every one of them. They all go to the previous high. It's happening. The part about denying things and the system doesn't work is so far gone now. It's not a matter of, if the system works, is if you can get the system to work yourself, maybe, but the system itself is flawless. It works every time, without a doubt. You can clearly see the same patterns forming over and over again, every day. Just tell your friends, tell your family, get your spouses involved, get your children involved, get them to be financially independent. Everyone needs to buy at least the core system. Now, what happens when you get the standalone versions here? What happens when you get the Safe Trade System Gold Edition or the Crypto Edition? What happens in here is you get the core, so you get this. Where's it at? You get all these things I showed you, right? The real direction bar, 1, 2, 3, blah, bullshit detector, all this stuff included. And you get the sniper. And you get the Keith bot right here. Okay? So you get access to the Discord, by the way. You didn't see that. I don't know. Did he say that? This right here. You get access to the Discord room, and the Discord room has both Discord rooms actually, but you get access to these, to the gold only. You get access to this gold only right here. And that's the room you'll get into. So yeah, you get all of this, just so we're clear, all of this is included in your $250 a month. So right, if you're wanting to trade gold, any metals, if you want to trade any metals, silver, platinum, this works on gold, silver is how it's coded to work, but it works on all of those, and you get everything for $250 a month, including the signal service for gold and the metals, including the everything. Let me make a note on this real quick. Okay, so do you guys, sevens, if you guys see the differentials there? You guys see the difference between the 575 system? If and when you get the system, read the rules and watch training videos. Get on the live practice one demo until you get it, and once you do get it, geez, so that's correct. Well worth it, emphasis. Facts. I'm having fun with it. It feels good to win using the system. Nice, persistent. Very good to head. Turn on the printer and let it run, baby. You've been killing them blue lines universe. I'm in Palladium. You ain't got this. Not correct, Crash. Thank you, Kevin. You're welcome, Cody. I hope that helps you, and I hope it helps everybody listening, Cody. Thank you for asking and speaking up. Get the whole system extremely worth it. Well, I agree with that too. But some people are very, very specific. I wouldn't, but if I was a beginner learning, I would probably go with the gold system just to understand, because gold moves so smoothly. It goes up easily. It goes down easily. It's the easiest symbol to trade, period. And Kim Harrington put me onto that about 3.5, 4 years ago. And Kim was 100% right. Gold is so easy. Easy to trade. Just gotta love it. It's been doing this 30 years wrong until now. So there you go. There you go, Sam K. Make sure you speak up on the lives. Send me a nice testimonial or post a nice testimonial on the Discord. Right. I've been trading over it since 1991, so 34 years. Yep. All right. So there's the differences for you. It's no big. I mean, you can't go wrong. But again, some people just like trade. They're like, not me. It'd be like my brother-in-law, Terry. He loves to focus on one thing at a time. I'm more like focusing on 100 things at a time. You ever notice? That's why I trade 6 symbols. Look, it's doing it again. It's forming another 15-second buy stop for us all right now again. They just give away money. Once you see the patterns, it just gives away money over and fucking demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Kevin, when
advisor.
the alerts with the cash register sound come up on the screen, are those entry or exit points? Well, depends on how you want to look at it. You should put your buy stop in up here. So that would be exit points to you. Like right here, I'm going to add this alert. That is take profit, whatever. This is your take profit over here. These are your take profits. I thought it was very explicit with that. Sorry. So these would be your exits. And I wouldn't even say exit. These would be a take profit, leave one open if you opened up 2 or 3. Watch. You're about to see them all go off again. It's just going to form the same fucking, if it's not a 15-second buy stop, it'll be a 30-second buy stop. If it's not a 30-second buy stop, it'll be a 5-minute buy stop. If it's not a 5-minute buy stop, it'll be a 15-minute buy stop. If it's not a 15-minute buy stop, they'll form a 1-hour buy stop. If it's not that, it'll be a 4-hour buy stop. If it's not that, it'll be a 12-hour buy. We don't fucking care. The further they drop it down, like to the daily buy stops, you make thousands of pips on the way up, thousands of dollars on the way up. So we do not care if it goes up on the 15-second. I want it to drop down to the fucking weekly. It rarely does that. Oh, look at that. Okay, I got to get into this other thing. I named the thing this. Okay, so here we go. Hope that answered your question, Maxim Motors. Hit take profit. Yes, it did, Grilliano. All right, look. Does anybody know what symbol this is? What am I trading right here? Anyone at all? Can you see it on TikTok? I don't know if you can see it on TikTok. Let me move it over a little. All right. Now, anybody? What symbol am I trading? Yep, made 3,000 off gold last week with one trade with a 0.2 lot size. Yeah, that's all you need. Grilliano says Nike. Cody says Nike. D Broker says Nike. Larry says Nike. Ace Bullet says Nike. Okay. What's this thing right here? What's this called? Oh, this is something. This is something. Uh-oh. I'm thinking the world better watch out now. Bronny, Nike, Foot Locker, says Jay Wynn. Okay. Be like Mike. Oh. George says Breebot entry, correct? Robot says Larry, correct? Old School says Breebot, correct? Aussie Trader. Has the robot worked on anything other than NAS, NQ1, SPX, or ES1 before? Has the robot worked? Jay Wynn, you must be new here. Has the robot worked on the stock before? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh. Guess who's getting it to work? Correct, Grilliano. And Barani had the exact reaction. Wow. Uh-oh. The market makers better be getting a little bit nervous in their pants at this point. We're getting it coded now. We don't know if it's 100% yet. I don't know. Literally, I have only looked at it for maybe less than a minute last night when Keith dropped it on. So we're going to check it out now. Nope, but it must now, though. Not today's got the right answer. 53 of you should be getting very excited. Now, remember, the Breebot's coming out only for NAS and NQ1, SPX, and ES1, only for 30 minutes and above. The Breebot will be coming out for first. Everybody that's in the system will get it at a steep discount. Everybody that's in the Sniper and the and/or the Signal service will get it at a huge discount. If you don't, just start. First of all, I don't think I'm even going to allow it to go out to anybody that's not in the system. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to open up the robot to anybody that doesn't have my system when it's released. So, no, I think I'm not. So I don't even care if you pay me $1,000 a month. I don't think I'm giving it to you. I might change my mind after 6 months or so and open up to the public. I don't know. We'll see. No, it's whenever it gets done. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, Sam, that a lot of you do not know. No one here knows what's going on. So you just got to be patient with this. If the Breebot gets done in 6 months, awesome. If it gets done in 3 months, awesome. If it gets done in a year, awesome. I'm kind of still hoping for the first Breebot to be released by Christmas is what I'm kind of hoping for. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. That's just the way it is. Yes, there'll be a Breebot for the gold. Absolutely. Probably the very next one will be a Breebot for gold, actually. I'll take the first spot for the system coach. It's just a bot. It's just a robot. It's a fully automatic trading robot that will enter, put in stop. You can see, well, this is what it's doing right here. It's literally telling you where the entry is, telling where the stop loss was, and telling you where the take profit is. Did it enter it right? Looks like it. Yeah, I'll have to go over that and look. So yeah, the Breebot will be fully automatic. You can use a trade copier to go over there if that's what you want to do. There we go. You can use something. I don't care what you use. Let's be clear. I don't give a shit. I don't care. They're not paying me to say this. But Pine Connector can take you from TradingView over to MetaTrader 4 and Trader 5. Plus, there's a lot of trade copiers. I'm sure John Parker knows. You can copy your trades from TradingView over to wherever you want to trade. Tradeovite, wherever you want to trade to. Look at that. Let's check out gold. The system only work with TradingView. Yeah, you only get the system on TradingView Maxim Motor, correct. Good morning, Jesus Blanco. Good morning, Jesus. Let's check out gold, shall we? All right. I'm going to go to gold 2 hour and see how she looks. And by the way, I think he set it up. The great Keith Palmer set this up to work on any time frame. I don't have to code in the time frames anymore. Now, let's see if because this concerns me right here. I'm looking at this saying, okay, it started. The blue line means the AI, the robot started to think. Oh, I see. But why didn't it catch this one? Is the orange not below it? Let's see. See, then you have to go through. This is just brand spanking new. So I'm looking at what I see as an obvious entry right here, which should have been called for gold. It wasn't. It thought about it. It thought about it long and hard, but it didn't call it. Orange went below too. That's really interesting. Why did it not take this entry? Oh, I see. The sniper wasn't in the correct position. Sniper is in the correct position here. Pink crossed. The very next time it should have entered the trade here. Yeah, it's below orange. Yeah. Not today in SOG. Did I miss something? I don't know the trade copier. I just know the one that pulls it over. Good morning, Adam Knapp. Good morning, Kick. What's up, Kick? Tommy's in the house. Another OG founding member of our little club. Tommy's the one who created your discords for you. Sometimes I praise Tommy on that, and sometimes I curse him, but most of the time these days. Good morning. Thank you, Adam, for being on both. Yeah, but Tommy should be getting a lot of love. He's helped us out immensely. I always call Tommy our best trader out of our group. And I think he's just a good man. He's a good person. I really, really like Tommy. I've only met one person out of this group, Keith. And KJ, I guess Keith and KJ. Me and Bree have only met them, but I would absolutely meet Tommy one day in real life. No one else we have ever met, ever. Tommy's a good person. What's up, Leb? Not today was good today. Gold was good today. Yep. Oh, and I said auto message messed up my thing. I'll take the praises and the curses, says Tommy. See, Tommy, by the way, Tommy, have you heard about the little Bree bot, the automatic trading robot that me and Keith are coding up right now? This is your thinking. Blue line comes on with the AI. Well, it's always thinking. This is when it recognizes there could possibly be a trade. Then when the orange line dips below our EMAs, and then it starts to look for and it's trading on, this is gold. It's doing single symbols now, but we're tweaking that right now as you speak. Then it waits for the pink to cross the blue low, which would be right here, and then it will enter. The problem we have is it didn't enter that trade because probably the pink was a little high when it crossed right there. Trust me. Robots, AI aren't as great as you think, but here's one. Let's see how this was. There we go. Pink crossed the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, entering off the orange line. I don't even know if there was drawdown. Let's pull up because a dimwit this morning. What's the drawdown? Okay. Enter. See, we have one slight problem Keith's still working on because of the limitation of TradingView. You can do code from like 2 hour down to 30 seconds. But in TradingView's own words, they aren't accurate all the time, which is crazy to me. But you can do 30 seconds up to 2 hours. It's 100% accurate. So the problem comes in is that when price action, I can't see my candle here, but when price action comes up, the robot isn't catching right when it crosses the orange. It closes on the candle, which would have been right here. So instead of catching it here on the entry, which is where it needs to catch it, it's catching it right there on the entry. So I'm having Keith go down to like the 15-second, 1 minute to see what kind of cross we can get to get that entry more closer to the entry point it should be. But I mean, it's nitpicking. When you're doing a 2 hour trade, I'm just trying to get you an extra $2, $3, $4 on the gold. But it's technically, it's still the correct entry. It's just I'm trying to get extra money for you guys. That's all. I've heard of it, but hadn't seen it. Yep. Well, here it is. There's your first look at it on gold. Now, this is single entry gold. It'll be first coming out for 30-minute through 6-month NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. But yeah, we've got it tweaked up, boy. It's fucking really good. Now, we have a hard take profit in. Eventually, it's going to be able to read these EMAs right here. It'll be take profit here, and then, of course, there'll be the runner left open if you want. Right now, it's just a hard-coded take profit. The stop loss is perfect. It goes below the previous one by how many ever pips we want it to do. So it's looking for the entry 100% accurately. It's finding the entries probably about 80, 90% accurately. It's enter the trade, depending on how you look at it, 90 to 100% accurately. And the take profit is the only one that's fixed right now. I'm a little annoyed with the take profit. We'll get to be able to read the EMAs, but right now it's taking a 60 pip, 50 pip, $3, $5, whatever we put it on. So that is gold. I love it. Oh, it's so exciting. All right, now let's go back here and show you guys something that is so fucking unbelievable. Let's go up here to our, I'm going to show Tommy this if he has a second. I don't know if he does. Look at what you see here. This is so fucking cool, Tommy. Remember I used to teach, always teach, the buy stops happen in order. Well, now with the robot, we can see the buy stops in order. Here is your first buy stop, the 30-minute right here on that gold line. Then it goes to the 2-hour, and then the 4-hour. Then it goes to the 7-hour. Look at this, Tommy. Then the 10-hour. And then there would be a daily. There is a daily right there. So it goes in order. So if you miss the 30-minute, you can take the 1 hour. If you miss the 1 hour, you can take the 2 hour. If you miss the 2 hour, you can take the 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour. It's so fucking amazing. And the robot calls all of NAS correctly, and NQ1 and SPX and ES1 correctly. Look, you can't, if this is your line, is price action higher than the 30-minute entry? Yep. Higher than the, higher than the 4 hour. Yep. Higher than the 10 hour. Yep. Higher than the 12 hour. Yep. So I guess they're correct. With very little to no drawdown, by the way. Isn't that fucking cool? Everybody out there, is that fucking cool? Yes or no? That the robot is calling it all the way up. Every time you see a gold line right here, it's calling the correct entry again and again and again and again. And it's fully automatic. The robot's doing this. I just think it's fucking crazy. Incredible, says Tommy. Yep. No more having to stay in front of Tommy's charts 24. No, Tommy doesn't do that. Tommy knows when to get in and out. He does it real quick. Yeah. Gee, we're making more money. Let's go over here and show you something. This is the last time. This is the robot making a call right here. On, hey, where's my thing at? Okay. This is the 30-minute that we did on a live. If you go back to September 5th, you'll see me on a live. Go, hey, there's a 30-minute call. The robot made a call, and I didn't know it at the time. Here's your 30-minute call. This is live. You can clearly see it's reading the pink blue line. By the way, Tommy, the whole thing is set up on the sniper. Without the sniper, none of this could be possible. So people who say, oh, I don't know about the sniper. Morning, Joe Bigga. Kevin O'Connell says, cool. Yeah, I know, right? But yeah, so the sniper is everything. Without the sniper being here, you can't have a trade. We can't have a signal. We can't have a robot. We can't have any trade in this one right here for this one. Sniper's always number one, is simply the most important indicator in the history. It's the most accurate. It tells you when to get into the trade, when not to get into the trade, how long to hold the trade. There's no other fucking indicator that even comes close to that. It's not even in the realm of nothingness. So here, watch. This is the OG code right here. I'm calling it OG. This is the code that calls out, Tommy, this is calling out, it's looking at all 6 symbols, US30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1 on 3 time frames. It's looking at, in this case, the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour. It's making the call on the 30-minute. It goes 1 time frame below and above. It's looking at all the snipers on 6 time frames, 3 time frames, 6 symbols. Then it's looking for the buy stops. Then it's looking for the entries. And then it makes its call either on NAS, NQ1, SPX, or ES1 for the entry. So that's what the great Keith Palmer has done for us. So you're seeing Oh shit, 7 minutes to market open. 7 minutes market. What you're seeing is this code is reading 100 different things. This code is reading probably 20. This code's reading about 120 plus different indicators. This one's reading about 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got to go to 12, 13. Got to make the logo. 14, 15. The color change candles. Yeah, it's probably somewhere. I think we get up to 23. So it's reading a little over 20 indicators. This one's reading over 120 indicators. They still made the exact same entrances. You see that? That is so fucking cool. See, the stop loss is a little different. The take profit is the same. The entrances are exactly the same. Isn't that fucking cool? So this is the BreeBot, upcoming BreeBot. And yes, we have it working on single symbols now. Meaning this used to have to work with 6 different symbols, 18 different time frames. This is working on one symbol on one time frame. It's still reading above and below it, but it's just one symbol now. Yay. The BreeBot is getting smarter and smarter. I would definitely use this. Yes, Kick, it would save a lot of time. And you could always just use it for your confirmations. Just say, hey, that robot just told me to get in this fucking trade. Demo trade only. Never use real money.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Does anybody have any questions over the BeBot? Does anybody have any questions over the robot, the BreeBot? Ask now. It'll be somewhere under $300 for people that are in the system that has the sniper and the signal and or the signal service a month. I don't know what it'll be other than that. We'll see. All right, I got to go back to trading. All right, no questions. If this just keeps going, there's better ship there. Oh, fuck. There ain't no open. This keeps going up and up and up and up. My CPI call, if it was going to go down, Tommy, I did CPI without even looking at the charts. Did you see that this morning? I called CPI without even, I said it was going to go down and then it will go up. I called CPI without even looking at the charts this morning, Tommy. I didn't even have, it wasn't even on my screen. Who here, I got to rename this, by the way. Let me rename this video. There's nothing we can call for open. It's too late. Do, 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 do. All right, save. Boop, doo doo doop, doop, doo doo. Doop, doo doo doop, doop. Market open, there's nothing I can call. What do you guys want me to call? It has to dip down. It's buy stop. Lock in profits, don't play market open. It's got to dip down in the next 3 minutes. We have to have a dip down or I can't call any buy-ins. What do you want me to do? You'll see this pink line hook. It'll come down. You'll see some spaces here. If we get all this, then I'll be able to call that buy for you. But I don't. It seems like it seems like it's a hard up. So just keep making money, lock in your profit. There's nothing I can call. It needs to do this, and it's not gonna. Look at this. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. You literally should have listened to me when I called CPI without looking. right, now let me see. You literally should have listened to me. Literally should have listened to me. Gold is dripping for a new buy stop. Dipping for a new buy stop? Good morning, MC. Yeah, I can call gold, but let's just stick around here for a minute. Oh, US 30's dipping. Now we got it. SPX. Buy stop SPX 15-second, but what good is that? US 30. You got some time on US 30 over here? US 30's pulled down on the 15-second. Let's hope they all do. We got a couple minutes. Market open in less than a minute and a half. Buy stop ES1 15 seconds. Follow it down. I don't know what else to do. I mean, it's not much. What do you want me to do? It's too fucking high. It keeps going up. Keep making more and more fucking money. 1 minute to market open. Oh, I don't care. Here we go. You guys are going to yell at me. If you don't like this song, just mute it or I don't know what to do. I love this song. Fuck out of here. I'll lower it. All right. In the money on your, well, fuck it. SPX, you still have time? Buy, stop, free money giveaway, 15-second SPX. Jeez. Ah, jeez. These are all correct calls. Whenever you hear the money, it's a correct fucking call. What do you guys want from me? Is it in the... Look, you're in the money. You're in the money. There you go. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on ES1. I don't know. Don't play market open. Tova. Market open. Buy stop US 30. Buy stop US 30. Follow it down. Buy stop SPX. Better. Buy stop SPX. Buy stop SPX. Oh, in the money. In the money on SPX. Free money giveaway. Woo! Free money on SPX. ES1 in the money. You still have time for US 30. Buy stop US 30. 15-second buy stop. Buy stop YM1. YM1 buy. Oh, this is free money. They are just giving us money. You're in so much money on my NAS call earlier. Holy fucking shit. You're in the money on SPX, ES1, NQ1, NAS. Holy fucking shit. Awesome. There you go. There goes US 30. You're in the money on... I told you you had time on US 30. I told you. There's your money. Told you. You'd have got in here. You can go ahead and close down those trades anytime you want. You're up 60, 70. Woo! And people wonder why I get angry and yell. Because motherfuckers, we're not here playing around. We're here making fucking demo money all morning long for you. There you go. There you go. That's what I drew out, and that's what happened. Woo! Buy the system. Buy the system. There you go. There you go. There, everybody on TikTok happy? Everybody on YouTube happy? Let's hear some thank God, sevens and yeses. Thank God, sevens and yeses. Go to the safety trade. Go over here. Shoulders. Don't make me laugh. Damn, look at that shit. If I can do it, my members can do it, you can do it. Look at it. Boom, 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 boom. US 30. Pop. I told you US 30. I told you US 30. I told you YM1. I told you. How do I know I told you? Because there they fucking are right there. There's your entrances. There's your money. 60, 70, 80 pips. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you specifically, Jesus. Please take care of Charlie up there and look after his family. Boom. All in the money. All in the money. All in the money. All in the money. Yep, we're getting back with the fuck ours. All right, guys. TikToker, any questions over the system? YouTubers, any questions over the system? Wow. How fun is this? I used to lose miserably by myself at 3 o'clock in the morning, and now I'm winning happily with hundreds of people, thousands of people. We have people watch 2,000, 3,000 of my videos. We'll rewatch it. That's it. Yes, it's over. All right, TikTokers, God bless. I will not be on later today. I might not be on for a few days. You'll learn why a little bit later. God bless you all on TikTok. Woo! Make me laugh. Ha ha. That was fun. All right, guys. God bless you on YouTube. Have a good day, Jesus. God bless y'all.